Good morning. We are on the record. Today is Wednesday, September 21st, 2022. The time is 11:02 a.m. Welcome to today's meeting of the New York City Business Integrity Commission. We are conducting this meeting via Microsoft Teams. This is a public meeting which was duly noticed for today's date at 11 o'clock a.m., along with the Microsoft Teams information and dial-in information for the meeting. This meeting is being recorded, and the recording and meeting minutes will be posted on BIC's website in a timely manner following the conclusion of this meeting. I am David Feldman, Deputy Commissioner of Legal Affairs and General Counsel for the Commission. I am joined by the following Commission members: Elizabeth Crotty, Commissioner and Chair of the Business Integrity Commission; Department of Investigation Commissioner Jocelyn Strauber; Department of Consumer and Worker Protection Deputy Chief of Staff Griselle Barrett, representing DCWP Commissioner Vilda Veramayuga; Department of Sanitation Deputy Commissioner Gregory Anderson, representing DSNY Commissioner Jessica Tisch; Department of Small Business Services Assistant General Counsel Limor Rosen, representing SBS Commissioner Kevin Kim; and Inspector Matthew Hyland of the New York City Police Department, representing Police Commissioner Keeshant Sewell. Thank you for being here today. Today, the Commission will consider two matters. The first matter is a set of proposed final rules related to side guard requirements on trade waste hauling vehicles. The second matter is a proposed final rule amendment concerning the maximum rates that a trade waste removal business may charge for the collection, removal, disposal, or recycling of trade waste. The Commission will now consider proposed final rules relating to side guard requirements on trade waste hauling vehicles. Local Law 56 of 2015, which is codified in Section 16526 of the Administrative Code, requires side guards to be fitted on the side of trade waste hauling vehicles. A trade waste hauling vehicle means any motor vehicle with a manufacturer's gross weight exceeding 10,000 pounds that is owned and operated by an entity that is required to be licensed or registered by the Commission pursuant to Section 16505 of the Code, and that is operated in New York City for the collection or removal of trade waste. Local Law 108 of 2021 amended Section 16526 of the Administrative Code by requiring that side guards be fitted on trade waste hauling vehicles by January 1st, 2023. Local Law 56 of 2015 also gave the Commission authority to promulgate rules necessary to enforce the provisions of Section 16526 of the Administrative Code. The proposed rules include definitions of terms such as side guards, trade waste hauling vehicles, and Volpe side guard standards. The proposed rules also establish situations where a vehicle will be considered equipped with side guards. The proposed rules also specify that license plates will not be issued to vehicles that do not comply with the standards set forth in Section 16526 of the Administrative Code. Lastly, the proposed rules establish a process in which a licensee or registrant may apply to the Commission for a waiver of the side guard requirement if they can establish that installation of side guards on a particular vehicle is impractical. On August 10th, 2022, the Commission held a public hearing on the proposed rule amendment. The Commission considered all comments received on the proposed rules. Do any of the commissioners have any questions or comments regarding the proposed rules?
No, not for me.
No question for me.
Thank you.
No
Hearing none,
questions.
the Commission will now vote as to whether to adopt the proposed rules. A vote of yes is a vote to adopt the rules. A vote of no is a vote not to adopt the proposed rules. If the Commission votes yes to adopt the rules, the final rules will be published and will go into effect 30 days after publication. Is there a motion from the Commissioners to adopt the proposed rules?
So
Yes.
moved.
I'll second that.
I apologize. As the court reporter, I didn't catch who said so moved.
I think I heard Commissioner Strouber move and Commissioner Crotty second the motion. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you.
I will be calling on each commissioner and designee to collect votes. Commissioner Crotty,
Yes.
Commissioner Strouber,
Yes.
Deputy Chief of Staff Barrett,
Yes.
Deputy Commissioner Anderson,
Yeah.
Assistant General Counsel Rosen,
Yes.
Inspector Highland.
Yes.
Let the record reflect that the vote is unanimous. Next, the Commission will consider a proposed final rule amendment to Section 502 of Title 17, Chapter 1, Subchapter E of the Rules of the City of New York relating to the maximum rates allowed for the collection, removal, disposal, or recycling of trade waste. The rule amendment increases the current maximum rates that trade haulers can charge by 7%. This increase recognizes that the producer price index for solid waste collection primary services continued to rise after maximum rates were adjusted in June, which was the first increase since August 2018. The increase would result in maximum rates of $24.21 per cubic yard and $15.89 per 100 pounds. On September 7th, 2022, the Commission held a public hearing on the proposed rule amendment. The Commission did not receive any comments on the proposed rule amendment. Do any of the Commissioners have any questions or comments regarding the proposed rule amendment?
I do not.
No.
Thank you.
No.
No
Thank you.
questions for me.
Seeing none, the Commission will now vote as to whether to adopt the proposed rule amendment. A vote of yes is a vote to adopt the rule amendment. A vote of no is a vote not to adopt the rule amendment. If the Commission votes yes to adopt the rule amendment, the final rules will be published and will go into effect 30 days after publication. Is there a motion from the Commissioners to adopt the proposed rule amendment?
Yes. So move.
Thank you. Commissioner Strouber, is there a second?
Yes. I'll second.
Thank you, Commissioner and Chair Crotty. I will be calling on each commissioner and designee to collect votes. Commissioner Crotty,
Yes.
Commissioner Strouber,
Yes.
Deputy Chief of Staff Barrett,
Yes.
Deputy Commissioner Anderson.
Yes.
Assistant General Counsel Rosen,
Yes.
and Inspector Highland.
Yes.
Let the record reflect that the vote is unanimous. That concludes the matters before the Commission. Thank you to the Commission members for their participation, and thank you to any members of the public who attended this meeting today. We are off the record at 11:10 a.m.
Thanks, everyone.